Hello, my model building friends and customers. This is Frank with Galactic Modeler.com. We sell lighting kits. This is a Monogram Seaview, or not a Seaview, yeah, well, a Seaview flying sub, and the lighting kit has everything to do your spotlights, your interior lighting, and it has the color change LEDs for the computer panel there in the background. And our system is probably the best I've seen. The color change LEDs change real slow. I've seen a few guys build these and they've got them flashing and blinking and blasting, and that's not how they were at all on the series. But I suggest, if you're going to build a flying sub, that you get the Mobius model, which is large. Boyd Crompton, which is an avid modeler, which kind of got me into the modeling, got me started again. He built the large one and did just a beautiful job with paragraphics and everything. You can see those color change LEDs back there on the reactor wall. Just look awesome. Wow, that's cool. But anyway, he did the big one, and he said it went together really nice. Now the smaller Monogram, and I think several other companies made one this size. I think Aurora, Monogram, and maybe one other company made this model, and it is hell to put together. Nothing fits, so you have to do a ton of filling and grinding. And I have to also thank Boyd again. I just recently got some, it's called Perfect Plastic. You can find it on eBay or all over the internet, for filling holes and seams and models that don't fit. And that is, I was using Testers model putty for the longest time, and it worked okay. But this Perfect Plastic, you can just squeeze it. It's got a thin applicator tip. You can just put it in your fill area, and it's water soluble, so you can take like a wet Q-tip and just rub it right along there, and it's perfect. It's perfect. So Perfect Plastic, and it's done, and no sanding or anything. Just really, really impressive. I should have listened to Boyd a long time ago, but I'm kind of a older, hard to change, stubborn guy, and once I start using something, it's really hard to get me to change. But I have to say, I used that Perfect Plastic, and wow, that's the stuff, guys. I tell you what. And this lighting kit here comes with 2 micro switches, one to turn on the main lighting and the engines, and 1 micro switch controls. I just mounted them down in the stand here, but one of the micro switches controls the spotlights. So you can let's see if I can hit it here correctly. There we go. Now the spotlights are off, and you can see the Admiral and his sidekick in there. I painted them up real nice, and painted up their seats and everything, and yeah, it turned out, it's a cool kit. But yeah, someday down the road, I'm building so many things now. I've got about 20 models on the building board. So one of these days I'll get a big Mobius and build that, because they are really impressive. There's the spotlights, on again, off again. Now we're going to go into deep water exploration and maybe do some fighting. So we're going to turn them on again. And there we go. The flying sub from Monogram. highly recommend you don't get it. But if you already got one, you can build it and it'll turn out nice. And you can get our lighting kit for it and make it exciting and interesting. But yeah, there it is. Thanks for watching, guys.